Nadipati Goshala, which was maintained by Dr. Sri P. Krishnaraj Garu. He is one of the best students of my high school stage. This school time also he is very interested in creating a new creativity every time. I am very much interested. He is also very much interested to do such things in the school also. In Sanskrit, Janma Samskaramu, birth ambition. He is very ambitious. The father and grandfathers also told him that you have to maintain a systematic life to useful for the society. He is also maintaining such creativity. Krishnaraj Garu, I am very proud. He is one of the best students at that time. He is school first student. He participated in games, sports, and as well as daily education. Now he is maintaining this Goshala and created a miniature little owl, miniature to very micro. This cow is only 1 feet height to the earth. He gave nearly 5 to 8 or 10 mini cows to all the chief ministers. Our great chief minister Sri Yogi Adityanath and Modi also took this mini house to them. 16 above house were purchased by Yogi Adityanath, and 12 cows were taken over by our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. All India level, these cows are very famous. So many people come here and see the great achievement created by Sri Dr. P. Krishnaraj Garu. I am also very proud to have such a student. Now he is not my student, he is my best friend and best advisor, health advisor. I am very proud of you to know this doctor very much. Thank you.